Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel Tech It Simple, and we are back with another brand new video. And today's video is basically on Transplanted, and it's on how we guys can turn on two-factor authentication and trust wallet. Alright, so it's pretty simple. So follow the steps, which I'm going to be showing you. And before that, if you guys are new to our channel Tech It Simple, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, drop it down in the comments, I'll answer you guys. And the other thing for those people who don't trust Valid, it's a crypto storing wallet. And for those people who do not know, to FA is an extra step of protection, which is given to you. So basically, there's like a passport thing which you can set up on a trust wallet. And basically, if you set that up, then even if somebody has their phone and to try to open that trust wallet without entering the passcode is not going to work. And you got to keep this in mind. Just because you have a two-factor authentication, you can't lose that 12-word recovery phrase. If somebody knows that 12-word recovery phrase of your trust wallet, even if you have a two-factor authentication turned on, it's not going to work. They can just go to their own phone, download Trust Wallet, and type that 12-word recovery phrase and open your Trust Wallet. It's as simple as that, right? So this to FA is just an extra layer of security in order for you guys to prevent from your account being hacked. So let's say some of your friend takes her phone, open Trust Wallet. If you don't have that passcode, they can easily send crypto from your wallet to theirs. But if you have this code, they need to enter the code in order for that transaction to happen. So how you can turn this is you can go and read this setting on your Trust Wallet and go on versus security. And read says passcode, make sure to turn it on. But nowadays when you install Trust Wallet, they ask you to enter a passcode by default, but hey, for those people, if they don't ask you, there's this feature as well. So you got to enter passcode. After you enter your passcode is going to show this things up and basically it's done. So yeah, this is an extra layer of security. Most people don't call this two-factor authentication because it's a basic layer of security. But this is the only security which Trust Wallet provides to you right now. So you got to take full advantage of what it provides you, alright? So hope you guys understand how you guys can activate to FA on Trust Wallet. If you guys found our video helpful, stay tuned to our channel Tech It Simple for future videos. Like and bye bye.